Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Confirm the kit is intact and not expired, because accuracy drops if components are compromised. Once done, wash your hands thoroughly and lay materials on a clean, flat surface to avoid contamination. Open only the items you need. Make sure the timer and disposal bag are within reach. You will move quickly after sampling. This reduces accidental contamination and keeps the sample reliable, so follow these prep steps without delay. You will now collect the sample carefully. Insert the swab to the instructed depth and rotate for the recommended 5 to 10 seconds in each nostril to pick up enough material. Once done, place the swab into the buffer tube and swirl while squeezing the tube to extract liquid. This step releases viral particles into the solution. After mixing, transfer the specified number of drops into the test, cassette well, and start the timer immediately so the reaction time is accurate. You'll read the result within the exact time window the instructions give. Reading too early or too late can give false negatives or false positives. Once the time elapses, interpret the control and test lines as instructed, then dispose of swabs and cassette in a sealed bag and wash your hands. If the control line fails or the test line is faint and unclear, repeat the test with a new kit or seek guidance. A repeat helps confirm whether it was a procedural error.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.